Here is how I make my Duncan Hines yellow classic cake. So you need the pans, flour and greased, flour and greased. You need the cake, water, oil, and eggs. So let's get started. So we're gonna put there's a half a cup of water so far. Okay, let's do the 3 eggs, one-handed. That's one. Two. Mhm. Three. Then and a half a cup of oil. Then we mix for 2 minutes long. I think it needs the other half a cup of water. Okay. All right. Let's mix the rest away. Okay, that was fast. Now you're not gonna have to do that. Spend more. Yeah. You take your grease pans like this. Pour some in there. I'm gonna try to make it even. Okay. Get the put a little more in there. A little bit more. All right. Now I like to shake it. And make it as even as possible. Try to get all the bubbles out. And the bubbles come to the surface and just pop up. Okay. Okay. So now that you get it all out like that, the oven is preheated to 350. And we just put it back in there. Let's try to go to the finished thing look like.